Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video I am going to take you guys to Krk Island in Croatia, where we will be doing some wild camping, cooking our own food, hiking, taking a dip in the sea, doing some kayaking, and of course enjoying the Adriatic Sea. Listening to some Spanish cumbia.
Vamos a bailar la cumbia, porque la cumbia emociona. Vamos a bailar la cumbia, porque la cumbia emociona. La bailan en Santa Marta y la baila toda la zona.
So from Munich we drove in this car, and this is Punat, where we will be doing some wild camping. So this here, our tent is ready in the middle of nowhere. So here it is a jungle and it's just beside the Adriatic Sea. If you can see the white background there, then that's the Adriatic Sea. Good morning from Krk Island in Croatia. We did some wild camping yesterday night, though it is illegal in Croatia, but we did it. And now let me show you the camp where we have hid ourselves from the cops, because if we are caught then we have to pay around 500 euros of fine. This is the beach in Punat, around which we did camping last night. It was really amazing. We could hear the waves all night long, and in the morning we had an amazing view. So this was something worth doing. So guys, sometimes grabbing some food from the supermarket, sometimes we are cooking ourselves, and sometimes we are gonna have some food in the good restaurant. And look at this beautiful view. The beach is so amazing. So guys, what you see in front is Baška. So we did a couple of hikes in Krk, but I would say that Baška Loop has been my favorite one, because you get amazing coastal views. That's fantastic, which of course you will enjoy through the video, the drone footage mainly. And the second one is Obzova Loop. That is also pretty, but still Baška is my favorite. So guys, now heading towards some peaks on the island to take a look of the sea from top. Let's go and enjoy the most amazing view. Finally, the pasta is ready and the view is amazing because I am right beside the beach. So all this time I was hiking to get a view of this rupture point. It's an amazing view here. So guys, flying the drone here was something really crazy because the wind is too strong and the drone has been flying from here to there even without my control. But finally I got a bit of shot from here and it looks really amazing. Please take a look, see. And I must say that drone does not do justice to this view. You should visit and then you will love the view. seems a bit risky to go from middle of them, which was the actual path, so taking a roundabout. So the Baška Loop hike ends at this lighthouse. This is second day of our trip and I am heading towards Obzova hike, which is approximately 12 kilometers and easy. After completing a hike, a man is supposed to get treated by something. So either it should be a beautiful woman or something to eat. So here I am grabbing some food which I got from the supermarket. So guys, if you are wondering where we are taking showers and getting freshened up, then write me a message and I'll let you know the free 5-star restroom.